You searched how to buy shares of Enovis Corp, so here is a concise walkthrough of the process. Enovis is a medical technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ENOV, and this video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy ENOV, you will need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ENOV to locate Enovis Corp. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to find the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ENOV ticker to confirm it is the correct asset. Click the Buy or Invest button. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After a successful purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio with your holding details. For the same example link, check the description below.